Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a radar gradient. That's one way to do it. I believe it's the fastest way. Let's first create a circle. I'll hold Ctrl and I drag it. I'll copy it pressing Ctrl D. Let me get back to one and I'll use the mesh tool down here. Make sure it's conical and it's added to the fill. For rows and columns I'll just use 8 and then just click and drag over one of your circles. And you're good. Make sure the mesh tool is still active. Select the bottom part and click on the white color swatch down here if you want to have it white. If you want to have it transparent, just go to Object, Fill and Stroke and go down with the opacity. Then select the top part, make it red. So this is what you should have now. If you want to have all of the details right, just invest some time. Select all of these nodes one by one and then use the color swatches. You can see that right here. So it's the same process, always select them when you've got the mesh tool active and then use these basic color swatches. I'm fine with this one. Now we'll have to create this typical piece of the pie. And we'll use the ellipse tool once more. So the circle is active. And then you will find in the top start and end point, it's in degrees, so 0 to 360. Just pick something that you need. And you can go from both ends to make, for example, the end a little bit sharper. So right now, the gradient feathers out a lot. And if I go to 200, the edge is much sharper. So pick what you want to have. Don't just go to Object and then align it. It doesn't work anymore, as the center position is now different. Instead, make sure that you've got this active right here, so snapping to the center position, and the snapping in general, and now it snaps right into the position. You can now select the black circle, get rid of the fill, and add a black stroke while holding Shift and click on a black color swatch. You can select it all, Ctrl G to group it, click on it again, and now you can rotate it while holding Ctrl and pick the right angle that you need. If you want to flip it, so that this gradient starts at a different position, just use the top function. And now the feathering is in the other direction. And this is how you can create this radar gradient in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.